Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. As we're heading towards the holiday season, we had seeing that less volatility in the market, but still we managed amazing profit today. And let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank beautiful pips today and best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD chart and if you look at the 4-hour chart, on Friday, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here. If you haven't seen my Friday analysis review video, link is given in the video description. So this morning, we had it as soon as the price respected the support level and previous highs. And that's what I explained to my trader. Look for the possibility of counter opportunities today. We had amazing counter trade as soon as the price hit this level. We explained my traders to it's time to bank some profit. And let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. If you look at here, we had two beautiful analysis, and that's what explaining to my trader that we are the first priority. We were looking at this time pullback long here. Once the price developed a double bottom here and the price was at the major support level in 4-hour, and we were expecting a counter, but as I said to you guys, my traders, that should be looking a pullback at this level first priority. As you can see in our intraday system, we haven't seen any red candle here, and that was basically aggressive trade, and the safest trade, as explained to my trader, look for pullback. As you can see here, once the price broken, and that's what I explained to my trader, pullback long trade here. And I also updated that analysis instantly, just to help my traders they can take in the right direction and maximize the opportunity. As explained, that's what exactly we do in live market, and that's what I explained to my trader. The price has developed, you can see here, high and broken and retest, and that's what I explained. These are the possibilities. That's the way we are looking at price action. And these are the high probabilities. If the price gonna develop a pullback break, then long, and that's the target, which price nicely hit to the target. And that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit on Euro USD. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. We had a beautiful trade on pound dollar. As you can see here, on Friday, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here. And even at the market open, we were short, banked beautiful pips. And as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for another counter opportunity. So we have a both short and long on pound dollar, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. As you can see at the market open, I did this analysis, explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. We had a beautiful pullback. Even London morning, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, we have one pullback, second pullback. As soon as the price hit, that's what we're using in red fib channel, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit because the price was at the previous low in 4-hour, and that explained to my trader, look for another counter opportunity at this level, which after the banking some profit instantly, I mentioned these traders to look for another counter long opportunity. As you can see here, price develop a beautiful counter long opportunity because we're looking at price in more detail. As you can see here, the price came back here and then develop a false breakout. Even that smaller scale, it helped when the price is at the major support level. We had a counter long trade as soon as the price hit this level, which is the previously resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had amazing trade at the market open and also in the London morning session, reversal counter trade, bank amazing profit. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade. We were just keep taking a pullbacks at the market open. I explained to my trader, as long as price stay above the EURGBP, we just keep taking a pullback and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. You can see here, even at the market open, this is the analysis. I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, we had a beautiful pullback, and then at the London morning session, I also mentioned just keep taking a pullback, just keep taking a pullback. And then at the New York session, just before the New York session, we also updated that analysis here. Look for another breakout. As you can see, after the breakout pullback, as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. All right, so the best trade we had that was the pound yen. Let me share with you guys. We had both short trade and the long trade and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze market in real time and define entries and exit. Okay, so this is the analysis we did at the market open, looking for breakout. We had a beautiful breakout, bang, beautiful pips, and afterwards at the London morning session, after the breakout, look for pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback, another pullback. Once the price develop a double bottom here, bang, beautiful pips. As soon as I finish this trade and bank some profit and let my traders explain, let for wait for another pullback, another pattern to be developed. And that's what I explained to my trader. That's what we do in real time, explain to my trader and the pure price action how we do it, and explain that if look here, the price develop a price broken the previous high, if the price gonna stay above that level because the price nicely hit to the support level, and if explain if the price develop a false breakout, and in intraday if the price broken the recent high, and if the price gonna stay above that, then we're looking a long, otherwise short here. And that's what I explained to my trader. This is the level which is I explained to my trader, price nicely broken, and which we announced through live ID commentary. And afterwards I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have one pullback, second pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, which is the resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And at the New York session, we had another beautiful price reversal. We need a valid technical entry. We have another beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit this previous level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to consider banking some pips or move your stop loss at the break even. Then afterwards, once the price develop, basically refuse this level, I explained symmetry triangle pattern. Once we have false breakout, I explained to my trader, now the prices failed to maintain this level, so it's time to, based on this analysis, we have this breakout, safest way, another breakout, pullback, and as soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see guys, we had amazing trade. Even we have a not that volatility in the market, but we managed to bank amazing profit. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and the banking profit in real time, and that's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded through prop firms. If you are interested, how I train people with the live market in real time every single day through live intraday analysis. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.